love my soul. In the nighttime conversations, dreamers looking for a fix for sort of something like lightning in a bottle. Trapped inside their inner universe, with electromagnetic storms chaosifying the harmony around, erupting through their pores as megaphones, shouting conundrumous prose as an excuse for losing their sanity, still double checking if it's not their gravity. Or actually, and everything makes sense. And it's not going backwards but higher as they innate Sufi masters under the stars of swirls, hurricanes, to keep their balance in square chambers, 4 rooms turning into geometrical figures with infinite number of angles. As reality sphericals and our angels paranormal and paranoid, dropped in such a dream frenzy and dreamed in such a dope frenzy, resisted the fall. And hooray! As to defeat the law of physics and inadequacy. As the sun goes peekaboo! As the sun goes peekaboo! As the sun goes peekaboo! As the dreamers with the lightning fix, having achieved adequacy, as the dreamers with the lightning fix find themselves having a tea party on the ceiling. Thank you.
That's beautiful, dog.